I'm Zach from Colton RV and Marine. Coming up this month, October 17th to 19th, we have our end of season sale going on here across all of our 3 locations. One of our featured RVs is going to be this Grand Design Reflection 100 series. It's the 22 RK model. It's going to have a huge discount on it. Has a lot of great features, starting with this big, nice awning, which is right on your campsite. So another good feature on the exterior out here, you're going to have your Goodyear tires. You're going to have your propane quick connect. So your Blackstone, any griddle you might have, instead of bringing in another propane tank along with you, you can tie into your 60 pounds of propane. It's going to have your tankless hot water, bunch of storage. It has the huge unobstructed front pass-through storage. This goes through and through to both sides. Also accessible from both sides. Another great feature on this one, you have 2 30-pound propane tanks, so you're going to have a bunch of propane. With this Grand Design Reflection, it has a one-piece molded fiberglass front cap, so over time you don't have to worry about any seams coming apart. It gives you a better insulation over time. It's going to have your other propane tank here, and then the other side of your pass-through storage. This fifth wheel is equipped with our auto level system, so one touch of a button, turn it on, click auto level, you're leveled out at ease. All right, if we keep walking around this side, you're gonna notice this one has one slide. With the Grand Design Reflection, it's gonna be a fully walkable roof. So it has the ladder. It is backup camera prepped as well. And then it has a hitch down here for a bike rack or whatever you might want to put on there. So when we're taking a step inside, you're going to realize it has the stable steps. Let's jump inside. So this is the rear kitchen floor plan. You're going to notice the kitchen is in the rear. What that does for you, it gives you an ample amount of counter space to be able to prep your food, cook it on the 3-burner cooktop, and have an oven. And a bunch of large storage, all these cabinets. Another feature you're going to notice is a big 12-volt fridge. You also have the theater seating on the slide out, which directly across the theater seating is a nice TV. It is a smart TV, as well as your booth dinette, which collapses into a bed if need be, and then a nice big window to look at your campsite. All right, and then if you take a step over this way, you have your full bathroom with a nice stand-up shower. And once we step into the bedroom here, we have a nice queen-size bed, some storage on each side of the bed, a couple nightstands, and then a wardrobe over there. Another thing you're going to notice across the board on all Grand Designs, they don't have any in-floor ductwork now, and this coach has 2 ACs, which are also all ducted as well. Alright, so the great features that you get with the Grand Design Reflection 100 series follows the name of Grand Design, so you're going to get the good build quality at a lighter weight, and it's half-ton towable. So if you're looking to make that jump from a travel trailer to fifth wheel, this might be the perfect one for you without having to upgrade your current truck. Once again, my name is Zach from Colton RV and Marine. If you have any additional questions, please give me a call at 716-694-0188, extension 406.